In this video, we're going to show you to install the A-pillar trim on your Ford Explorer located on either side of your windshield. We want to go ahead and pull off our trim bezel here, and it's held on by a series of plastic clips to the base underneath it. You're going to use some tape, or we're going to use some tape, and we're going to put this around the perimeter here to protect the paint finish on the vehicle. We're going to use a trim tool to go ahead and start to pry this up and pop it off of the retainer clips. And gently use our tool here to just pry up gently. Now the base that the exterior trim is attached to is held in place by a series of bolts going down. Let's go ahead and loosen and remove these. On the very top right here, there is a button. You want to go ahead and use your trim tool. I'm going to try and leave the rubber gasket there for now and just pop this up and out. Using an 8mm socket, loosen and remove these bolts. And go ahead and pull off the base. Go ahead and clean the base here. Just wipe out any of the debris that's in here. Make sure we have a nice clean area to go ahead and install the new base. I want to go ahead and install the new base. Now I'm going to open up the door a little bit. Drop this down inside. We can go ahead and start to install our bolts. Once we get all of our bolts started, we're going to come back and snug them down. Now we're just going to snug these down gently. I'm going to come back with my 1/4" ratchet. We just want to make sure that these are snug. We don't want to over tighten it and crack the plastic, so once that bottoms out, just give it a little bit more. We have our trim bezel here, and we have a series. We have a little plastic clip right here, and there's a plastic clip on the top half. We had just popped that one out of the top of the body. And then going down here are where the little clips on the base are going to snap into. So what we want to do is go ahead and line this up. I'm going to start at the top. Go ahead and line this up into that body. You're just going to continue this process, working your way down until all those little clips are snapped in. Now, as we're pressing this down into place, you're going to notice you want to go ahead and grab this pigtail of tape. Now, there is an adhesive underneath here. You're going to gently take this and just pull it out towards the windshield, working your way up. Now, with your adhesive completely removed all the way up, go ahead and continue to line this up. Now that we have this snapped into place, we can come back up top, and we're going to remove our protective tape that we had put there to remove the old part.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.